Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on Sneaker Talk. Today we are here in Long Beach, California. You guys know I'm from Canada. I don't come to California very often, and I was here for ComplexCon. I have the ComplexCon shirt I'm wearing right now. Copped this the other day. I'll have a ComplexCon vlog up very soon, and you guys should go check it out. But today we're gonna be going to a Nike outlet. So let's get outside and I'll tell you guys more about it. This is actually my very first time here in Long Beach, California, and I gotta say it's so different compared to like the LA area where there's like Fairfax and Melrose. The streets are so open, there's so much room to walk around. It's really nice. There's like nice palm trees everywhere too, and the sun just feels so good here in California. No matter where you are, the sun feels like a blessing. Now you guys know I love taking you to outlets around the world. We go to the Filipino Nike outlets, the Japan Nike outlets, even the ones in Texas. But in California, I've only shown you guys one outlet, and that was in San Francisco or around that area, because I went to TwitchCon a while ago, and I haven't really shown you guys much Nike outlets here. So we're gonna head over to this Long Beach Nike outlet. It's right beside the convention center that ComplexCon was at. I haven't checked it out yet. I have no idea what we're gonna find, so we're crossing our fingers today, hoping we can find some heat. So let's get going. Alright, so we're just pulling up to the Nike outlet right now, or the outlet. They got a Forever 21 there. It's going out of business, so rest in peace Forever 21. And here is the Nike outlet. Alright, so it looks like the men's section is over here, so let's check out the walls. I guess we'll start with the training, see if there's anything that speaks out to us on the channel. Nothing really yet, but this is the training section, of course. So we got some Monarchs, $55, dad shoe, greatest dad shoe of all time. We got both colorways here. We'll go to the hash wall soon, very soon, but we'll keep going through here. We got some more running shoes, so let's see what we got. Now these are a really good discount right here, the Air Max Deluxe. These are more than half price. This is $75 down from $190. A really good discount right here, although I'm not a fan of the colorway. Sort of reminds me of a watermelon. We got the Air More Uptempo 95, the white and yellow colorway. Heavy Lakers vibes right here. I like the Air More Uptempo a lot more than these shoes, but for $130, that is $35 off the retail price. Here is some of the better offerings. I want to say they have a bunch of Air Max 720s. Like, check it out. All these 720s are here. $135 for pretty much all the colorways. So they have this black one, probably my favorite out of the ones here. We have this white and beige one, sort of like, oh, look at that, that's new. I haven't seen the exposed tongue on these, so you got some of those reconstructed, deconstructed off-white vibes on these ones. Very first time I've seen that. We got a bunch more 720s. We got the regular blacks, we got the white, we got this cool neon green one, and here's just a look at the other colorways. Down below we got some sneakers I actually paid, I think, full retail for, which sort of hurts seeing, but they have these right here. These are the Air Jordan Proto Max 720. I have a review of these coming very soon. I bought these like many months ago. They've just been sitting in my closet. So $130 for these tech wear Air Jordan sneakers right here. That's a really good price, and these are very comfortable sneakers. So if you like tech wear and you like Jordan brand, this is a good sort of first step into that kind of mixture that they did. Surprised they didn't, sell as well as I thought they would. They also have this sort of beige colorway here too, and these are cool because it has this like holographic little thing on the back on the heel. I like that a lot. And then they have the all white colorway. This is probably the most practical sort of tech wear kind of vibe shoe. These definitely remind me of the Y3 Casas. I think it's just the overall shape of it with how high it goes from like the toe box to the very top of the back right here. But for an all white colorway of a sort of a tech wear sneaker, $130, really good price on these. And then this is a shoe I think Nike never should have made to begin with. This is just a weird Jordan fusion. You got like the 6s and the 4s and the the ones, and it's just this is such a bad sneaker. But they have them on sale for $125 down from $160. I wouldn't even buy you honestly couldn't pay me to wear these. That's how much I dislike this shoe. Wow, that is really cheap. Take a look at these guys. $40 down from $150. That's, I think, over 66% off. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'll probably title this video related to these sneakers. These are the Nike Air Zoom Alpha, and that's a steal. $40 US for these right here. They have a ton of sizing available too. Lots and lots of sizes, and I'm sure if you have an extra discount on top of these, you could probably pick these up for like $25 or $30 with an extra discount. And over here we have a triple black version of the Nike React Element 55s, $115, only $15 off. And we got some Cortez here, the Cortez Basic, and these are an LA exclusive, you could call them. It says Los Angeles on the back right here, embroidered in this purple sort of font. And it's a solid shoe, but for $55, I'd rather just spend money on other shoes. But if you're from LA, then I understand if you like these a lot. Take a look at these. We got the Flyknit Air Max 270s in this bread colorway. I honestly want to like this colorway, or I want to like the shoe because of the black and red color, but I just don't like the way they did the color blocking on the Flyknit upper. I do prefer the regular 270s more than these Flyknits, even though the tech may be considered better on these. I like the heel cup though. I like that massive air unit. These are on sale for $50 off, so that's 33% off. Then I also got this colorway. This is new. You usually have like a mesh upper, but this upper is so different compared to what we're used to seeing. And because of this upper is the way it is, they can also do this cool gradient effect from this like red to blue. Sort of reminds me of the new Jordan 1s that just came out that have both red and blue in that patent leather. So if you like those shoes, or if you like those popsicles that these shoes remind me of, pretty unique kind of pickup. These are on sale for $130 down from $150. What do you guys like more? Let me know in the poll. Do you guys like the bread Flyknit Air Max 270, or do you like these red and blue ones instead? Hit that poll in the top right hand corner right now and let me know. All right, so we're just getting to the Jordan section of the store right now. So after we're done here at the Jordan section, I'll show you guys what's on the hash walls. We'll do some digging. I see some like retro Jordan 4 boxes. It's gonna be a fun time hunting through those. But for now, let's check out these Jordans. So to start things off, they got the Air Jordan 1 Moto. We actually saw these on sale in Canada for I believe $35 US. They're on sale here for $139. So that's a huge increase in price here in Long Beach, California. We got the Jordan Legacy 312. So they have a few of the high top versions right here. We have this simple black and sort of infrared or red colorway, $90 on sale. We also have this red colorway. You could call this like the Toro Bravo Jordan Legacy 312. Probably one of the better ones. If I was like back in high school, I'd love these shoes, but these days it's going to be a pass for me. They have these for sale for $90 US. We also got these camouflage ones here too with the elephant print on the side. I like these ones. These ones I can mess with. I could probably wear these a little bit right now in 2019. These are $90 down from $155. Probably one of the better colorways I've seen. And then they also got this white colorway. And yeah, we always see these at the Nike outlets now. It's a decent shoe. At first I was really against it, but they grew on me just a little bit. Check these out. So I know Jordan 1 lows are becoming more and more popular, but I think the Legacy 312s are actually a pretty good alternative to the Jordan 1 lows. They have this sort of more premium colorway. It has suede and on the upper instead of leather. It has these like pastel pinks. Not too big of a fan of this colorway, but it's cool to see them experiment with different materials on the Jordan Legacy 312 low. We also got the Royal colorway right here. Great alternative to the Royal Jordan 1s, of course, for $90. I thought this colorway just came out. We saw it in the Philippines for the very first time at Athlete's Foot, but they have them here at the Nike outlet for $90. Then they also got the bread colorway. This is probably the best colorway out of all the lows, just because I love bread 1s. And come on, if you're looking for a good bread beater kind of shoe, this is probably something I would recommend. $90 though. I think I've seen them for maybe $10 less in Canada with after conversion and everything. All right, so that is it in terms of the sneakers on the walls. Now we're gonna take a look at the hash wall. Probably my favorite part of every Nike outlet vlog, because you never know what you're going to find. And if you guys see something in this vlog, make sure you check out your local Nike outlet, because they might have the same stock or something similar, because that's usually the case. So let's start digging. So first off, we're going to start with these LeBrons right here. We have the LeBron 16 in that Air Tech Challenge 2 Hot Lava colorway Probably one of my favorite colorways on a shoe. Just on the LeBrons, it doesn't do it for me. I can't do this. These are on sale for $160, down from $200. I know they just did a bunch of Gore-Tex Air Force One lows, but check these out. We got the Nike SFB Field 2 8-inch Realtree. These are $110, down from $200. Definitely a heavy-duty hiking kind of boot. Not something I think I could wear, but if I were to go hiking, you know, this is a pretty good option. These are surprising to see. I was not expecting to find these at the outlet. These are the Nike Zoom Pegasus Jiakasu. I completely butchered the pronunciation of that, but these are a size 4.5, so a woman's size or a kid size right here at the outlets. No sale price though. Regular retail price $160. MTAA Quick Strikes $130. These are the white and blue colorway. Well, what do we have here? We have the Air Jordan Legacy 312 in a different colorway, not one we saw earlier on the shelves. This is that black and gold colorway. These are nice. I can mess with these. I definitely can get behind this sneaker. And best of all, they're on sale for $80. That's down from $150, so almost half price for these. Ooh, one of the better basketball sneakers in 2019. We got the Kyrie 5s. These are down $20, so only $20 in savings, but a really good colorway. It's like an Oreo colorway, you could call it. I definitely like these, and this is one of the Kyries that you can actually sort of wear as a lifestyle sneaker. You really can't say that too much about a lot of the new basketball sneakers coming out. These are dope. I did not know Nike even made these. I know they did the Air Max 1 inside outs, but these are the Air Max 98 inside out. And check this out. I really like the red contrast stitching right here. You can even see that the Air is like reverse on the side right here. It's spelled like RIA because it's mirrored. Then the swoosh on the side here. These are really nice. I am so tempted to buy these. These look like a size 10. And even look at the tag right here, size 10 on the tongue. What do you guys think about these? Hit that poll in the top right hand corner. Are these a cop? Are these a drop? But these are definitely one of the cooler Nike LS sneakers I've seen in a long time. And these are actually on sale for $120, down from $170, so we might have to grab these. In terms of VaporMax, we got the VaporMax 2019s, also in a size 10 for $120, so that's $70 off. I like these. I got watermelon vibes from these ones just because of that sort of pink and green, but this is actually a really good colorway for the VaporMax. I mess with these heavy. We got another Air Max 720 size 10. These are the same price as the other ones, but this is the red colorway. I did not see these on the shelves earlier. What? I was not expecting to find these at the outlets here in California. Kobe 1 Protro, and in a Lakers colorway too. These right here are a size 11.5. Unfortunately, I can't find any pricing on these, but a really nice colorway for the Kobe 1 Protros. What on earth? These are the Air Jordan Apex React. I love Apex Legends. Check out my Twitch, twitch.tv/SneakerTalkCA. But these are the Apex Reacts, not the Apex Legends React. And they sort of have that sort of reverse inside out kind of vibe to it, especially whenever I see that sort of red stitching. We got 3M hits on the side, sort of like those Protro Max 720s I showed you guys earlier, or the Proto Max 720s, but these are weird. These are some funky looking sneakers. What do you guys think about these? And the retail price for these was $190, and there's no actual sale price on the box. Oh man, it's like mystery box time. Right now I have an Air Jordan Retro box, still closed. They didn't cut off the lid either. I have no idea what's inside. Let's check it out together and see what it is and get this reaction at the same time as you guys. So we'll pop open these. These are size 11, and we got the I think these were the Laney 5. We saw these in the Philippines. They had 1 billion sizes. So if you guys want to see what's at the Nike outlets in the Philippines, check out the video on the top right hand corner or binge watch my outlet vlog playlist. I'll leave a link down below. But we saw these in 1 billion sizes, and they only have one here. Only one size 11, on sale for $140, down from $200. Check it out, we found another Air Jordan 4 box. This time they don't have the lid on these. These are the Air Jordan 4, was it the grandma leather that I called them before? I reviewed these on my second channel, Sneaker Talk 365. You guys should go subscribe to it. Lots of reviews coming soon, but we have these right here, and these are on sale for $160, only $30 off, unfortunately, and they only have the size 13. Really solid colorway, I want to say. Not too crazy about the materials they used on these, but if you're looking for like a decent pair of Jordans that isn't an OG colorway, these are a pretty okay offering. I want to say these are like a solid 7 out of 10. So after all of that hunting, it turns out the best sneaker we found today in terms of value were these right here, the Air Zoom Alphas for $40, down from $150. Of the correct percentage on screen. Damn, we just left the Nike outlet. That's a nice view. That is not a Nike outlet view you get very, very often. If you guys made it to the end of the video and want to enter the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Citroen giveaway, then I'll leave the mechanics in the pinned comment down below. But in short, just subscribe to this channel, follow me on Instagram, hit that like button down below, and comment down below with your Instagram handle, letting me know your favorite sneaker you saw in today's video. Was it the retro Jordans? Was it a pair of Jordan Legacy 312s? Or was it a pair of Nike Air Maxes? Let me know in the comment section down below. I really like those Inside Out 98. I think those were my favorite from today. I want to hear from you guys in the comments down below. Of course, if you haven't yet liked me on Facebook, drop me a like on Facebook. We're getting more active on there. It's facebook.com/SneakerTalkCA. Link in description. We have a Discord server as well, so join in on the Discord. Now, I'm gonna get going over to Tim's place and see his house for the very first time in California. If you guys want to continue watching the vlogs, and make sure you guys subscribe for more videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.